In beta-oxidation, a fatty acid gets activated into a fatty acyl-CoA molecule, such as the case with palmitic acid converting into palmitoyl-CoA. In the mitochondria, the fatty acyl-CoA molecule undergoes 4 reactions to produce 2 products, acetyl-CoA and acyl-CoA, which is 2 carbons shorter than the parent chain that was originally used in the reaction. This cycle repeats, shortening 2 carbons at a time until the product yields 2 acetyl-CoA molecules. This occurs when a 4-carbon acyl-CoA molecule undergoes beta-oxidation. In this tutorial, I will be using palmitoyl-CoA, a 16-carbon fatty acid molecule, to demonstrate this process. In the first reaction, palmitoyl-CoA is oxidized, meaning loss of electrons, specifically by dehydrogenation, where 2 hydrogen atoms located on the alpha and the beta carbon are removed. The enzyme acyl-CoA dehydrogenase catalyzes this reaction. The 2 hydrogen atoms that were removed from the reaction are donated to FAD, which converts FAD into FADH2. Palmitoyl-CoA is then converted into trans-enol-CoA. Trans, since the hydrogen atoms on the alpha and the beta carbon are trans to each other. Next, we undergo hydration, in which water is added to the trans-enol-CoA molecule. This enzyme that catalyzes this reaction is enol-CoA hydratase. A hydroxyl group is added to the beta carbon, while a hydrogen atom is added to the alpha carbon. This creates a hydroxyl acyl-CoA. In the third reaction, hydroxyl acyl-CoA is oxidized via dehydrogenation, where 2 hydrogen atoms are removed from the beta carbon. The beta carbon then forms a double bond with the remaining oxygen atom. The 2 hydrogen atoms that were removed are donated to NAD+, which converts this into NADH plus H, making a keto-acyl-CoA molecule. The last reaction is known as dialysis, in which a keto-acyl-CoA is split into 2 molecules between the alpha and the beta carbon, one forming a 14-carbon long fatty acyl-CoA molecule that is 2 carbons shorter than the original parent chain, and the other is acetyl-CoA. Acetyl-CoA then enters the Krebs cycle to produce ATP. FADH2 as well as NADH both enter the electron transport chain, where they eventually produce ATP. In my other video, I will review the total amount of ATP molecules that are produced from this palmitoyl-CoA molecule that underwent beta-oxidation.